Hello, I heartily welcome you all to a brand new segment of INF DWPS. I am Ritu Jain, your IT media head, and I am here for exclusive DWPS INF. And today we have exciting updates and events and achievements of Delhi World Public School Manendragarh. Today we have the head of council body, head boy Adi Anshulal and head girl Samriddhi Agrawal. Over to them for a special segment.
Transiting to segment 1, that is our pre-primary activities. Our pre-primary section has been buzzing with colorful and educational activities. We kicked off with Yellow Day and Orange Day, where our young learners explored the vibrant hues and engaged in creative activities. Our school conducted an amazing French activity wherein all our students were actively engaged in French communication session.
This is Ayati M. Manekal Sapel, Delhi World Public School Manendragarh, Messi.
New song, let's exit on the Delhi World Public School Manendragarh, Messi. Tumapel tumeni pakra, Unga bintu, Kapita Manendragarh.
Next, our students practice their fine motor skills through lacing the shoes, a fun yet practical exercise. Say no to mobile activity, wherein our students learn to use their time productively away from school.
Yoga Day provided a calming experience, helping our little ones relax and focus. Our Honorable Principal Sir, along with all the teachers of DWPS community, actively took part. Our talented yoga team instructor, Mr. Prem Kumar and team took the initiative and promoted yoga as a flag bearer of healthy life.
Celebrated this Doctor's Day, honoring heroes with white coat. To emphasize on the importance of health, a special program was put up by the DWPS family, which was graced by more than 15 esteemed doctors of Manendragarh.
The investiture ceremony was the torch bearer for our upcoming academic session. We have experienced a wonderful serial election environment with proper election infrastructure. The occasion was graced by the presence of Mr. Mansoor Ahmed, a renowned family court judge. This ceremony instilled leadership qualities in our young students, preparing them for future responsibilities.
Over to the prefect boy Rachit Gupta and prefect girl Avantika Singh for the activity segment.
Moving ahead with the activity segment, we had a power-packed public speaking and English poetry recitation competition for our fellow mates, enhancing their communication skills. The debate competition was the highlight of the occasion, which fostered critical thinking and eloquence among our budding debaters.
The realm of achievements, we are proud to share some remarkable accomplishments. Muhammad Abdullah performed admirably in the PSY Pratibha Samman Yojana exam, securing one position among 18 qualifiers in the state. He received a scholarship of 1 lakh from the government and also a gold medal, where Anaya Singh exceeded in the PSY exam, receiving a gold medal in the painting competition, showcasing her artistic talents.
Our student also brought home a qualities in various Science Olympiad Foundation, demonstrating their academic prowess, which includes the category of SOF, NOS, NSM, NSS, etc.
We are thrilled to announce the 100% result of our school, which marks a big milestone and testaments to the dedication and hard work of our students and teachers.
With immense pride and joy, our school was honored as the best school for futuristic education 2024, reflecting our commitments to innovative teaching methods. Our school was nominated for the best environmental school.
Delhi World Public School joining us on the stage. Congratulations, sir. Delhi World Public School joining us on the stage. Congratulations, sir. For our first leg of the award ceremony, Delhi World Public School joining us on the stage. Congratulations, sir. For our first leg of the award ceremony,
At Delhi World Public School, we believe in nurturing the young minds with the passion for learning, innovation, and leadership. Our distinguished faculty is comprised of highly qualified and experienced teachers and educators, as they were fostering our environment where each student is encouraged to speak and to explore their potential up to the fullest, which speaks about the volume of our growing admissions, as we have reached more than 200 admissions this session and number keeps adding on.
I am thrilled to announce that our school also received the award for being Best National School.
Over to head boy Adi Anslal and head girl Samriddhi Agrawal for the celebration segment.
This year we celebrated Shiksha Saptah 2024, promoting educational excellence, which includes participation in various events, including sports, creative writing, health and fitness, which demarcated the holistic growth of students.
History was made in the field of Manindragarh under the ascendancy of directors and principal at Delhi World Public School, Manindragarh. For the very first time became the center for the two most significant central level government exams, NEET and UGC NEET, marking a threshold in the history. Besides the successful conduction of these exams, DWPS also becomes the host for the CG TED and CG Vyapam exams under his leadership. Delhi World Public School made history in the entire Manindragarh Chirmari Bharatpur district, being the first to conduct central level exams. We also received the entitlement of being one of the best sanitized school in India from the President.
Two of our brilliant minds received certificates for Pariksha Pe Charcha by Prime Minister of India. We also marked Chairman Sir's birthday celebration with great enthusiasm.
Our Go Green Save the Environment initiative has been a success, instilling environmental consciousness among our students. For the promotion of the same slogan, DWPS Manindragarh went a step forward. Principal Sir along with many teachers brought cycle, which marks the health conscious and pollution free era.
The inter-house singing competition was the highlight of last Saturday, as we have witnessed the remarkable talent of our students on the patriotism theme, which united us all in the national pride and harmony.
Over to the media head Ritu Jain.
Examination segment. Recently, our school conducted the SAFL examination, an important assessment that reflects the academic standard and the effort of our students. This examination was conducted smoothly and we are eager to see the positive outcomes. That concludes our campus news for today. We are incredibly proud of our students and teachers for their efforts and achievements. Stay tuned for more updates and thanks for being a part of Delhi World Public School Manindragarh. This is Ritu Jain signing off. Have a great day.